Alright people, welcome back to another Snackverse Snack Crate unboxing. This one is from Spain and this is the premium box. So you get like 24 snacks and a drink. You can also get a original box where you get 5 snacks and no drink. There is a medium box which is 10 snacks and a drink, and then this box which is the premium where you get 24 snacks and one drink. It also comes with a little leaflet, and in there it tells you the name of the snack as well as information about it. You know, for example, this one is Huevo Frito, so it's fried egg taste chips, or crisps as we call them in the UK. So in here, there's also interesting facts, and in the back there's, a range of different things. But in here is information about the snacks. So for example, here is the Huevo Frito, and it says here, uniquely Spanish, these crisps capture the distinct flavour of a fried egg, from the richness of the yolk to the savoury edge of the white, with their golden crunchy texture and lightly salted finish. They offer a surprisingly Moorish twist on the traditional potato crisp. Do you know what? When I first seen this and seen fried egg flavour crisps, I thought that doesn't sound too nice. But upon reading that, I'm quite intrigued to see what it's going to taste like. Okay, so yeah, let's get on we've seen what else is in here. So on this video, I'm going to show you what is in here, and then we will be doing a taste test on a separate video. Okay, Boca Bits. I'm guessing this is bacon bits. I'm not going to read out everything out of the leaflet on this video, because I do that on the taste test video. But we can get a little, you can take a guess at what things are. For example, these look like the onion ring crisps you can get. But you see there's a chili there and it says hot. It says hot. So I'm guessing this is like chili, basically onion rings, but chili rings. And then here we have Ruffles, and this is a pig's leg, and I'm guessing this is gammon. Sabor gammon, I don't know what that means. Maybe smoked gammon. Flamingos con lychee, I do not know. Maybe lychee flavoured cream cake. I would drink Naranja, Laranja, tangerine, orange. I mean, it's obviously something to do with orange, but you get different kinds of oranges, don't you? Okay, so this is like breadsticks, and then we have here what looks like a chocolate and vanilla dip. You see there. Do you know what? I need to get a good thumbnail for the video. So okay, so this is going to be the picture for the video on the screen. You know before you press on it. There we go. This looks like mixed nuts, and yeah, I do not speak Spanish, so I mean, I can tell it's mixed nuts. And these look like corn snack. Corn snack, you know what I mean. Anyways, Pilotus. That kind of looks like the Haribo logo. That kind of looks like the Haribo logo. You know, the red bubble writing with the white outline. I'm guessing that's some sort of fruit flavoured chew stick. The tripod almost tipped over. Okay, this looks like the Snickers logo. Doesn't it? That looks like the Snickers logo, and then that looks like the Haribo logo. You know, except for the letters are different. It looks like a giant roller, so I'm guessing it's some sort of chocolate cake. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that word. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea. It looks like pastry. Some sort of sugar pastry. like pastry with sugar sprinkled over it. That's like something you would get in a French snack crate, you know, like kind of reminds you of a croissant or a croissant, as the French call them. Here we have more crisps or corn chips. No idea what flavour. I may do a video, taste test video on some of these later on. Okay, this says Filipinos con Tensio chocolate. Yeah, it looks like white chocolate covered donut with a cake filling instead of like a donut filling. It's like a cake in the shape of a donut with white chocolate over it. 20. I mean, it's not going to be 20 euros for that, is it? Wait, I was going to say it's going to be like 20 cents. I've just realised the €1 20 cents. Yeah, I didn't realise that I was a number one to begin with, so I was thinking, you know, this isn't going to be 20 euros. So then I thought 20 cents, and then I realised it's a €1 20. I still might change the thumbnail of this video. Okay, Cheetos. Now these are very nice. I had these years ago in Spain, around 5 years ago. Very, very nice. It's like little crunchy. I was gonna say chocolate footballs. What? It's like little crunchy, cheesy footballs. Like very crunchy and very cheesy. They are very nice. I don't know why I almost said chocolate. Maybe because I've just been reading about chocolate Blanco. Okay. Now these remind me of something Haribo used to do. Either Haribo or I can't remember what company, but it was basically a brain. So see this is like a raspberry, and then on the bottom you've got the green leaf or whatever. Anyways, it was like a red brain, and then it was sitting on like sort of similar thing, but it was blue on the bottom. So imagine red and then blue. And brains, they were called, something brains. I can't remember if it was Haribo or if it was just like, you know, the penny sweets where you get your bag filled up when you're a kid. And they were absolutely delicious. And just looking at it these reminded me of those. strawberries. Okay, so this looks like do you know those Kinder Joy thing you can get? Kinder Joy. It looks like that, but with Smarties inside of it. Yeah, I hurt my thumb the other day. It doesn't look as bad now, but we were out on the fishing boat, and I ended up like banging my thumb off something, but it banged the nail and sort of pushed it in, and it went all purple. It really effing hurt. I have got a couple of different video clips from that day out fishing, so I might put it together and upload it. Okay, what is this? It feels very, very, very brittle. Toaster Rica. As if that's not a play on words. Toaster Rica. Mayville. That looks like wafer covered in what looks like dark chocolate. Now, dark chocolate to me is absolutely disgusting. It's the worst chocolate ever. Bricks. like how simple can you word it? Eh? Just bricks. You know, like not like fruit, sugared gummy bricks or anything like that. Just bricks. You know what I mean? Oh dear. See, you'll get things like this. Did I mention at the start of the video it's like 24 snacks and 1 drink? So basically you're paying £1 per item. Now, do you think those are worth £1 each? I'm not even sure what it is. Some sort of hard sweet with liquid filling. Oh, he's one of these, but snapped in half. It smells of absolutely nothing. Okay, this looks nice. I don't mind white chocolate. So it looks like white chocolate wafer, and then it looks like even more white chocolate on the inside, or white chocolate cream, one or the other. That looks nice. Okay, I think we've looked at everything. Okay, now let's count things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't even realise that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The Spanish seem to like their crisps, don't they? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, okay, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then the drink. That's 25, yeah. So it's, yeah, technically £1 per thing. But do you think those are worth £1 each? Absolutely not. Okay, I might do you know what? I need a thumbnail. Okay, let's put that like that, and then let's use those fried egg crisps, because that looks more, you know, fried egg crisps aren't very, well, I was going to say it's not very common. It's the first time I've ever seen them in my life. So yeah, I mean, I feel like that would make people want to click on the video more than the thumbnail I had earlier. What was the thumbnail from earlier? I think it was these, and I can't remember what else. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next episode when it comes to doing the taste test, which I'm looking forward to. So, yeah. Hope you're all having a good day or a good night wherever you are. Hope you're all okay. I'd like to say hope you all enjoyed the video. Okay, so peace out and take care. Peace.